This video will show you how to crimp the wire to put onto the passage sculpture that you have. First of all, what you want to do is cut the wire to the length that you need for, I guess, to match the same as the other side. So to cut the wire, you just pick up the cutter and the wire, and slip the wire in and clamp the two handles together, and that should snip it. One more time. There we go. Okay. Now what you want to do is take the end of the wire and loop it through the chain or the sculpture end. And once you loop it through, put on the crimping sleeve. Let me see if I can get in close here. There, okay. So it looks like that. Making sure that you're still, whoops, Andy, go lower. Yeah, there you go. Making sure that you're still connected to the chain or whatever it is you're crimping around. Then pick up the crimper pliers and insert the crimping sleeve into the pliers. There you are. Okay. Like so. And then just give it a squeeze. And you can see that the sleeve is now crimped. You can always put it in again and do it a little bit lower if you want to get a double crimp in there. And that's it. So then you want to do the other side, attach it to the other end of the sculpture or the chain, whichever one you didn't do before, and use another crimping sleeve and attach that and then crimp that. If you have any questions, you can email us or give us a call, and hopefully this will help you out.